In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a company on Indeed. Indeed is one of the most trusted platforms for job seekers, but it is still important to make sure that the companies you come across are legitimate and reliable. Verifying a company helps you avoid misleading listings, understand employer credibility, and make more confident decisions before applying for any job opportunities. Using the platform's verification signals can help you quickly distinguish between reputable employers and those that may require closer evaluation before applying. To begin the process, open the Indeed website using your preferred web browser and make sure you are logged into your account to ensure a secure starting point. Once you are on the home page, use the search bar to look up the company you want to verify. This will lead you to the company's dedicated page where you can find important details about its profile and activity on the platform within Indeed's system. On the company page, you should carefully review the information provided to ensure accuracy in your evaluation. Look for indicators such as verified company status, employee reviews, ratings, and job postings. These elements help you understand whether the company has a strong presence and positive reputation on Indeed, especially when making decisions about submitting applications or sharing personal information during the hiring process. A verified listing generally means the company has been reviewed or confirmed by the platform, adding an extra layer of trust and reliability. To ensure accuracy, it is also helpful to cross-check the company outside of Indeed by visiting its official website or other reputable sources, especially when comparing similar listings. This extra step helps confirm that the job postings and company details are consistent and legitimate. Taking a few moments to verify information can save you from potential scams or misleading listings. These habits help you maintain awareness and avoid unreliable postings while job hunting online. That's how you can verify a company on Indeed and make more informed decisions during your job search with greater confidence and clarity. Always take the time to review company details before applying, as this can greatly improve your safety and confidence online in the future. Staying consistent with this approach will make your job search experience more efficient and secure over time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.